Welcome! All EuPathDB sites use GBrowse to display sequence and functional genomics data. This tutorial provides an overview of GBrowse and gives examples in tritripdb.org. GBrowse can be accessed from several locations: the right side center tools bubble, the pull-down menu under the header, and the genomic context area of any gene record page, all linked to GBrowse. Let's go to a gene record page and enter GBrowse. Link to GBrowse by clicking the button at the top of the graphic in the Genomic Context section of any gene record page. GBrowse has 4 tabbed pages: Browser, which displays the sequence you request; Select Tracks, where you choose the data to display in the browser; Custom Tracks, used to upload your own data; and Preferences, for changing the appearance of the browser. The browser page has 4 sections: Search, Overview, Region, and Details. To view a specific region of the genome, enter its ID in the field labeled Landmarker Region. Acceptable names include a chromosome, gene, or contig ID. Text searches, based on a gene product name for example, are also allowed. Interactive examples are given below the landmark or field box. The landmark region can be as large as a chromosome, but navigating to GBrowse from a gene record page automatically opens GBrowse at the landmark region surrounding the gene. Let's go back to the gene we were looking at. The Overview panel displays the genomic context of the landmark region. The Region panel displays a portion of the genome surrounding the region of interest. The selection rectangle in the Overview and Region panels shows the landmark region. The Details panel displays just the landmark region. Scroll along the genome using the yellow arrow buttons and zoom in or out by choosing a region width from the drop-down menu. You can also zoom in or out by selecting an area on the Overview or Region scale and then choosing Zoom from the pop-up window. We are now looking at a 120 kilobase pair region instead of a 34 kilobase pair region. Clicking on the Overview scale will recenter the displayed region and reset the zoom to show 40 kilobase pairs surrounding the click. Below the scale in the Details panel, you can display any number of data tracks. Here we show annotated genes for the landmark region with color-coded forward and reverse-oriented genes. The control icons next to the track name are used to change the appearance of the track and to display information about the track. Each icon opens a pop-up window that allows the track to be turned off, minimized, shared via URL, configured for appearance, or downloaded. To add tracks to the Details panel, go to the Select Tracks page. Datasets that can be displayed graphically in the context of the genome are available as GBrowse tracks. The expandable tree lists all the available data tracks. The Show Favorites option allows you to customize this page view. Limit the tree view to those tracks of interest to you by marking them as favorites and clicking Show Favorites Only. Only data tracks marked as favorites are displayed now. To view all data tracks, click Show All. To display data in the browser, click the box next to the track description and the browser is automatically updated to show or remove the data. Now the Details panel also shows proteomics data and a high-throughput phenotyping dataset that is divided into 5 subtracks. To turn off any of the subtracks, click the link Showing 5 of 5 subtracks next to the subtract name and use the pop-up window. Now only 2 subtracks of the phenotyping data are showing. To change the order of the tracks, drag and drop them where you want them to appear. The proteomics data now appears below the phenotyping data. Mousing over any feature in the Details panel displays a pop-up window with information about that feature. You can add your own data into the browser using the Custom Tracks page. Tracks can be added by typing text in the window, providing a URL for a file, or by uploading a file. Help with creating custom tracks is available by clicking Help with Uploading Custom Tracks. Now the Preferences page. The Preferences page allows you to set the display parameters of the Details panel For example, the width of the browser graphic can be made larger or smaller depending on the size of your screen. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please contact us with any questions or suggestions.